We have some breaking inputs coming in. So there's a nationwide protest happening. Resident doctors' body has issued a statement now, and we're getting these reports from Karnataka amid growing outrage. Statement issued by the resident doctors' body. In this particular press release, they're talking about the time that is passing, the time that has been lost. In the statement, they're highlighting how 72 hours have elapsed without any meaningful steps having been taken in regard to the demands that were put forward by them, which is a safe and secure environment, safe and secure workplace for the doctors. Now, they are saying that they're going to continue with their protest, including suspension of all elective clinical services, and that they will continue to address the emergency cases in their fair capacity. So, doctors across the nation, they're saying that the emergency services are being provided, but OPD services in some states where the protest is underway has been shut. In Karnataka, a statement issued by the resident doctors' body saying that there will be a suspension of all elective clinical services. Deepak joins us with more on that. A statement issued by the Resident Body Association highlighting how since their demands have not been met and 72 hours have passed, they're going to continue with their protest, although emergency services are being provided.
Yes, up until now, the OPD services, of course, they had decided to suspend. Now, the elective surgeries as well will not happen at the Mans Hospital. Here you see, hundreds of resident doctors here at one of the most prominent hospitals here in the city calling this protest. They are raising the slogan here today saying, no safety, no duty. And more importantly, they're saying the demands are not going to, they're not going to budge as far as their demands are concerned, and they're going to continue for a CBI probe, and that has been their primary demand. Let me take across some questions to some of the students, or rather the resident doctors who are here. If you could tell us, right now, while protests are taking place across the country, yesterday the Chief Minister of West Bengal said that, the state police will be allowed to investigate this matter until Sunday, and if they're not able to crack the case, that is when the CBI will come. Are you satisfied with that?
No, actually we will continue our protest until our demands are met. Yesterday we were very clear with our demands. We'll continue the protest until our demands are met.
Would you like to add something?
Yes, we want fast inquiry system. Like we are saying, it's 4 days already passed, but already the justice denied. Is justice kind of delayed? So want fast inquiry.
As far as the entire episode is concerned, it's been now over 72 hours since they are yet to crack the case. While the Chief Minister of West Bengal says we are ready for a CBI probe, but we want to give an opportunity for the state police to complete the investigation. Do you think that's a fair answer?
I mean, they're asking for time until Sunday, which is what is not sitting well with us. When such a big heinous crime has been committed, something that has never happened before, we don't think it's okay for them to ask for time till Sunday, whereas it can easily be done before that. So, which is why we don't think it's valid.
So your demand as far as the CBI probe continues, and you're saying that this protest isn't going to stop until that demand is met?
Until that demand is met. That's right.
Well, it's being made pretty clear here that the CBI should take over the investigation as soon as possible, and they're not going to really budge as far as that demand is concerned as of now.
Multiple demands. One of them is ratification of Central Protection Act without delay, and assurance that there will be no action taken against the protesting doctors.